CLIR headquarters. We are very excited that you've decided to use the iClicker audience response technology as a part of your session for the upcoming annual conference. We thought it might be helpful for you to have a demo so you can see how the system works in advance of the conference and be more comfortable on site. If you look at the PowerPoint presentation we have up here on the wall, you can see the iClicker toolbar in the upper left-hand corner of the screen. This toolbar will remain open throughout your presentation so that you can ask a question at any time. The image that you see up here is a close-up photograph of the instructor remote. The bottom button is the on-off switch. Of course, we'll want to make sure that that's turned on. The A button is the start and stop polling button, so you'll use that button anytime you are ready to ask a question. B is for hide and display graph, and by clicking this button, you'll bring up a graph that shows the breakdown of audience responses. C is go forward, and D is go back, so you'll use these two buttons to advance through your PowerPoint presentation. Now that you've seen the features of the iClicker remote, we'll do a quick test question so that you can see how the system works. You'll use the C button to click through and advance your slides in your presentation until you come to a slide that contains a question you'd like to ask of your participants. Read the question out loud first, including all of the responses, and then click A to open the poll. You'll see the countdown in the upper left-hand corner of the screen. Encourage all of the participants to enter their responses during the countdown, as those will be the only ones that are counted. You can either press A again to close your poll or simply wait for the countdown to stop. When it stops, you'll see done, and that will indicate that the poll is closed. If you'd like the audience to see how the responses were broken down, simply click B, and that will pull up a graph that shows the breakdown of responses. When you're ready to move on, click B again, and then use C to advance to your next slide. Those are the key features of the iClicker system that you'll be using on site. We will, of course, be there to help you and walk you through the process once more once we get to the conference. But if you have any questions in the meantime, please let us know. Thanks!